My name is Holly Milburn-Smith. I'm from the city of Los Angeles, and I am a Salzburg Global Fellow. So I work in the Mayor's Office of International Affairs in the city of Los Angeles, where I lead the Secretariat of the City Hub and Network for Gender Equity, which is the world's first global network of cities working together to advance gender equity. Yeah, it has, in good and in troubling ways, I would say. I think in the troubling ways, we saw that it, of course, exacerbated a lot of the pre-existing problems that women faced disproportionately, and people of, diverse genders. But on the other side of that, it really exposed those problems that were there to begin with. I think if we take the opportunity to rethink the structures that have perpetuated and accelerated inequality, if we take the opportunity to shine a light on those and actually respond by kind of making some pretty radical changes, then this can be a moment of disaster and of deep loss and really challenging times. And it can turn into, I think, a future that creates spaces of belonging for people and acknowledges really unsustainable inequality that we've been living with for quite a while. The first is we need to be collecting better data. I think that's one of the kind of seismic shifts we need to be moving into is better data collection, better data sharing. I think out of the pandemic, that would really strengthen our public health systems, but from a social perspective and from a human rights perspective, I think we can't manage what we can't measure. And so we're drastically lacking data on both outcomes and lived experiences of women and gender diverse people. We see the impacts of that everywhere. Things are not designed for women, things are not designed for gender diverse people. And we can't improve that until we actually capture that data. And then I would say the second thing is we need to have leaders that look like us. We need to have leaders who can share in the experiences that we have had. And so we need more women leaders, I think, at all levels. We need more gender diverse folks at all levels. And then I think we'll get a little bit closer to crafting policies and building systems that don't perpetuate this really, like I said, unsustainable inequality. Well, my hope is that it's more nuanced, right? Our understanding of equity is more nuanced and captures the lived experiences that are rich and diverse and really paint a more accurate picture of inequity. I hope that we create spaces of belonging that are not just better for women, but are better for everyone, and are better for people who have multiple intersecting identities that we don't, that our world just currently isn't designed for. People who have different body types and people who have different abilities and people who learn in different ways. And I think the closer we can get to creating spaces where everyone belongs, and everyone has the opportunity to participate in public life, and the more barriers we remove for those folks, I think the better it will be for everybody.